Hello YouTube, and you must come to Japan. Okay, and then hope you be enjoying the demonstrations for the today's toys for the Goseigers. We just finished the Goseigers Gosei Blaster. This one, kind of cool. I like it. And then a header. Watch. Aha! Okay, so that's enough. All right, so we still have the time for the next items. Is that Gosei Bako? All right, and we have the Gosei card Bako actually, and Gosei card Bako is on the table, and we'd like to do that demonstrations. Okay, and of course, because the Gosei card Bako comes with the special card, and so we will try these cards on those Tensouders. All right, and so let's change the camera. And shoot, じゃなかった。こっちですね。はい。Okay. Now, let me try that. We will try this one later. And first, let's open it. Now, first, let me show you the package itself. And these are the 3 different cards that comes with the card back. Okay. And Gosei card is one action they pop up, right? So just one pushing, and then the Gosei card case will just pop up. So that's kind of neat. And then also has the instructions for the weight size for the 42 up to 68 centimeters. So hope you guys are okay with the size. Obviously, it's not for myself. Too bad. Now, so basically it's a belt and a buckle and a card. So nothing, not too complicated, yes. Okay. Right. Ready? Please meet. Gosei Bako card. Gosei card Bako. Instructions. This is the card. Okay, so these are the cards. And the first one is the Shiik Boga, used by the Gosei Blue. And Shark Header. And Gosei Tiger is here. Now, let's take out these backwards from the case. Oh, it's very shiny. So these are the holster. Okay, so I think these belt is just a belt, and so I think I will leave them as it is. And what we are interested in this, the buckle sets and the card. And of course, this holder is also important because this holder is for the Gosei header. Alright? I mean, sorry, and for the Tensouders. And all the Goseigers have these Tensouders on their waist and with this items. Okay, so like this. Yeah, and just slide it in, and you can wear them and on your buckle. Right? So it looks like this buckle holster. This see that? This is where this is the street that you slide your belts. So actually, you know, even though the box says the weight size is 42 to 68, but if you can, you know, find some belts that are similar with this size, and I think you can actually wear this belt buckle, and also together with this poster, so you can wear these Tensouders on your waist. So it's a kind of interesting. It's very important actually for the people who like the Tensou Sentai Goseiger. All right. So let's take a look at this one, at the buckle. Oh wow, it's really shiny. And this in the center, you can see the symbol of the Goseigers. Oh yeah, must have onto your pants. Yes, very shiny. Actually, yeah, it would be kind of nice and thick. All right, you see that? And you can see it on the back. Actually, the same size, same sweep. You're there. Actually, so you can, I think go ahead and find the nice belt. The size, it's about, let's say, I would say 3.5 centimeters. Yeah, well, maybe 1 inch, something like that. Okay. Yeah. And the most importantly, and this one will hold the cards. So, I see. So this is where you keep the cards. Okay. Right, so let me do this. Now, so if I pull this out, see the card holder will automatically pop up, and then your card will come out. So like this. Alright, watch. Nice. And take one of your cards. Alright. But please watch carefully, you know, if I turn, you know, bring down this card case, the card holder itself will go, you know, go down by itself. Okay, and let me give you the close look. All right. Okay, and you see that it will go down by itself, and then now the card is inside. Now the question is, how many cards can be put it in? Let's say we have the 3 cards over here. What do you think? I would say 5 more cards, 5 or 6, maybe 10 may be enough. Okay. So might be a good idea to, you know, to keep this one. And then I mean actually get this one as a code card collection, and I keep it here. Okay, Wheelchair 21, thank you very much for help, and see you soon. All right, Grand Aunts, thank you. All right, so now it's time to try that Tensouders with the different these cards. Okay. I'll go this way. Okay. Now, let's get the cards. The first card will be Gosei Tiger. Gotcha. Here we go. Summon Gosei Tiger. And then some music. Very nice. One more time. Okay. Gosei Tiger card. Let's go for the next one. Now try the shark header. Shark header. One more time. Very good. So it was shark header. The last one. Cheek bogan. Gosei blue. Cheek bogan. Gosei blue. One more time. Okay. So these cards will be coming with these Gosei card backle, and then these are only cards that you can get from these sets. And you know, very shiny and good-looking card backles over here, and can hold the cards probably up to 10, I would say, inside. And also importantly, it will come with the holster for the Tensouder. And so just like the Goseigers, if you want to wear that Tensouder on your waist, and you need this, and then you just slide it in and keep your belt, keep it on your belt. And we recommend you to get the you know, about 1 inch, size of the belts width, and it will actually if you are overweight, your waist is over the 68 centimeters, and then you might want to try that, find out a different size of the belt. And the good thing that you can use this with just normal belts. Okay, so that will bring us to the end of the demonstration for Gosei card backle. Okay, and since it's a very simple toy, but it's very special with these cards. Okay. All right. So hope you liked it, and then we will do the more demonstration, and then for the next Thursday and then next Tuesday. So hope you enjoyed that, and then just one announcement. We will be doing the different show, one more show in the middle of the week. That's Thursday show. We call it CSTOYS The Alternative. All right, and then so this coming Thursday we'll be broadcasting the CSTOYS The Alternatives from the Hokkaido store. And then so for the Thursday show, we don't have the packing, so nothing but the demonstrations, talk, and chat. And then we will do the demonstration, not just only the Sentai, not only the Kamen Riders, but Ultramans or Dragon Ball, or could be anything. All right. So hope you can join us from the 1 p.m. This coming Thursday. So every Thursday we're going to do the show from the Hokkaido store. It's called CSTOYS The Alternatives. All right. Thank you very much, and I hope that you can see each other. And thank you.